Mina nguRalph Mgoli, ngihlala eSouth Coast England. Lamhlanje iBambanani Association ibile Culture Day. Esikucabangayo ukuthi kulempi esingayiboni esingayinanzelele to destroy our culture. iBambanani izimisele ukuthi khona we will start our defense of our culture. Nga abantu bengela culture, they're nothing. I-identity yabantu belongs with their culture. Lapha esikhona sibona labantu abethu kabalabo umuntu, they are not rooted in something. Ngoba siseyisa i-culture yethu. There are two ways that i-culture yakithi is apparent. One way ukuthi khona banaba abayilwisayo bayibulale completely. The other way is ukuthi culture leyana ibe assimilated, kungabi lento okuthiwa khona i-culture yesiNdebele. Isicelo sethu ukuthi khona esikuqalisileyo thina sokuqalise lapha siyazi ukuthi kulabanye balemizamo. We've got to be conscious ukuthi the whole reason for life is to be rooted in something, and it's the culture. Siyacela ukuthi labo abafuna ukuthi siphathisane labo sihlanganise imicabango in defense of our culture, because it is a true war to try to actually sort of us be no more.